And of course, these are participated in by, first of all, the Toronto Police Ceremonial Unit. There you go. And they were carrying 3 flags, which are the Canadian flag, the Philippine flag, and the Toronto Police flag, of course. And right after the Police Ceremonial Unit, we had the very lovely ladies and gentlemen, Samantha Amos from the Hamilton, I should say. Look at the way she was having too much fun. But later on, we will see.
Ladies first, ha? Okay, kababayan rin sa lista. The Toronto chapter. Okay. Rose Cruz, the president. Very nice. Already. Woo! Look at that. Okay. So even the ideals of Rizal are represented by these lovely ladies. Strong contingent. All right. Woo! Yes.
makita ng dalawang mata nyo? Yan. Okay. I cannot lie. Yes. Right in front of our very eyes. And look at that. The Panay Island Dance Group. The Kababayan Community Center in cooperation with the Ontario... The Aklanos Group. Huh? Okay. Maraming pong salamat. Yes! All right. The Philippines. Shout to be recognized. Shout to be recognized. Nasaan na yung drum beat? Nasaan na yung drum beat? Nasaan na yung drum beat? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Iyan, ha? The Mardi Gras. Yes, there you go. Then, ito yung dapat lumiko na nito. Umikot pa sila para makita yung kanilang pasyon. Okay. Okay. Iyan. This is, look at their tribe. They call them. Marami kayong mapapanood. Marami po kayong masasaksihan. These are the Filipino talents. These are the Filipino abilities, capabilities. Kaya maraming pong salamat. Huwag po ninyong kalilimutan si Kuya Roman sa Tinig Himig Pinoy Radio sa Multicultural AM 530. Every Monday, musika, balita, panayam, kaalaman, pagkakalibangan. Wala na kayong hahanapin pa. Yan ang programa sa radyo ni Kuya Roman. Maraming pong salamat. Maraming pong salamat. Huwag kayong aalis. Narito at magsisimula na ang concert. Maraming pong salamat.